Okay.
So we have our beautiful colors already, and look at my hands. That is the culmination of all the colors in the rainbow. And before I smush this slime or even prepare it into the bowl it's going in, I'm gonna put on gloves. Okay. Look at that. Look at these colors mixed in. I mushed all the pink down to try to get the white on top, but it's all right. All right, and then we're gonna go to the cut. I'm gonna let this dry for 1 day. Oh, I don't wanna wait, but I want it to get like this. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna go to the scene of me playing with all 3 of these souffle slimes. Let's start with this one. Look at this. Beautiful. Then I added also some blue hollow glitter off camera. Look at that. Oh my god, it's like a little beach scene with a happy little whale playing. Oh my gosh. And then here's the colors again. Like I said, 5 different layers. They've all melted. Even though this was over-activated. And this had like, what, 8 different colors? 6 different colors. What was it, Grant?
8.
Yeah. Alright. Let's start with this one. Look at that, it looks like bread. Lean in so they can hear. It is so pretty. Oh, here comes the green. Weird. Oh! And now, the moment you all have been waiting for. You hate to crush it, but I've been dreaming of crushing it since I made it. Since I first saw one of these videos, really. it still has white in it. Oh, duh, from the top. I'm stupid. Oh, this is exactly as satisfying as it looks. I don't even have words. Look at this. There's the pink and the purple coming in. My phone is low on battery, so sorry the flash just went away. It's alright. Let's take this out. Ooh. It smells so good. I love the way that shaving cream smells. I use the Barbasol, the sensitive skin one. Let's mop up some of these sprinkles. So this is the end product of each one of my souffle slimes. The end colors, they're pretty much identical. It's what happens when you mix all the colors together. Super jiggly, super fun. I'm not gonna throw these away, definitely. They are too much fun to play with. I'm gonna fix them. They're still light enough that I can. Got a lot of dye, a lot of different beads and glitters and stuff and charms. So you guys be the ones who decide. Be thinking of what theme you want for these, and I will try to fix them the best I can. I'm sorry, this was my first attempt doing this, and really my first attempts editing anything on YouTube, so don't judge me. I really hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did, and if you like it, say something. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.